Gold Coast Yachts has been manufacturing catamarans and trimarans, ferries, charter boats. We've been located on St. Croix for 40 years now, and we've got boats located all over the world that say made in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Gold Coast operates 3 sites here in the territory. One of our sites where we're sitting at the moment is our composite manufacturing site at the Roebuck Industrial Park. They're big buildings, they're ideally suited for manufacturing. Lease arrangements with the EDA is something that is easily done. They're very hospitable for incorporating manufacturing operations and the various infrastructure development that comes along with it. We value that relationship. It's critical to our success in manufacturing. Gold Coast has been in operation now for 40 years on St. Croix, and we chose this location because of its accessibility to deep, rough ocean conditions, which helped us evolve vessels that would be capable of operating in conditions worldwide, like the Hawaiian Islands, South America, South Africa, Europe. Another reason we located in the Virgin Islands was because of easy access of shipping and freight and cargo from the United States. Mail deliveries get here in 1 to 3 days. Cargo is received weekly. There's well-developed infrastructure for shipping materials in. And additionally, we had the benefits of the EDA that they offer for new manufacturing companies locating here, and the training support that comes through the Department of Labor, so you can train the staff for whatever it is that you may be manufacturing. One of our interesting projects is the ferry that was built that goes between St. Croix and St. Thomas. Most people don't recognize what they're riding on, but that entire boat is built out of carbon fiber. So unlike most ferries, which weigh 160, 180,000 pounds, that boat only weighs 35,000 pounds. And the result was the operator was able to continuously operate that route at about 1/8 of the fuel consumption of any previous ferry, ensuring that we have low-cost water transportation between our sister island, St. Thomas. So as a new manufacturer territory, when we first moved here, we faced the challenge of a workforce that had not been involved in shipbuilding in the past. But what we found was that both the interest of the general public, the workforce development system, the school system appreciated the fact that there was a diversification of the economy and that there was career pathways now opened up for community members to engage in this new manufacturing operation. One of the other advantages of creating a diverse manufacturing economy is creating opportunity for residents to not only expand their core skills or their particular trade skills, but as that carries forward into the community. The outflow from that, I think, is stronger family members, stronger families, and that bodes well for the territory.
Well, every boat is a challenge because everyone is different. One boat might get something completely different from the next, so it's always changing. I love the work that I do. The guys here are amazing. Even if you don't know, they're always willing to help. There's no end to what you can learn here. I want to say we have 4 or 5 different trades you can learn from here, if not more. And if you're hungry for knowledge, this is the place to be.
For those who would consider investing in the territory, I think they'll find the advantages of being English as the language, US dollar as the currency, the close proximity to the United States mainland, and of course the wonderful people that are here. Beaches, sun, sail, surf. It's a fantastic place to live and work. As a 48-year resident of the Virgin Islands, I wouldn't think of starting a company anywhere else. This is home. Very grateful to be here.